Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video we'll learn how to delete order history in Amazon app. So this work onto both your Amazon app or onto the website. So there is actually no straightforward process, or there is no way that you could delete an order in the history of your order in Amazon app. So what you could do for this one is just archive the order so that you shouldn't be able to see that one already, or it could be deleted onto your account. So for you to be able to do that, you'll just need to go ahead and head onto your order. So you'll just need to click onto returns and order onto your account if you're using the website. But here onto the mobile phone, just click onto the profile icon onto the bottom part. So once you click onto that, you should be able to see your orders in there. Click onto that one and you should be able to see all of the orders that you have onto your device. So as of the moment, I don't have one onto my mobile app. So here onto the website, this is what it should look like. You could go ahead and try to choose the order in here. And then here onto the bottom part or onto your mobile app, there should be an archive order button in there. So you'll just have to click onto that one and then just click onto archive order again to proceed. Now, once you archive the order, it will vanish from your Amazon order history, and it is just like the same thing onto deleting your order from Amazon. And that's just basically it onto how to delete orders from Amazon order history. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.